Hi, advisees. Welcome to a new year. I'm Ms. Croker, and I can't wait to meet you in person. I am speaking to you from out of town. We are on a college family trip here in Lawrence, Kansas, and I am on the beautiful Kansas, also known as the Kaw River, on the Riverwalk, showing you a little bit of what is behind me here. And we are taking Seville to her freshman year of college and dropping her off with a lot of hope. Just dropped off our older daughter, Saffron, who is a Harvard graduate of 2017 at UT Knoxville. So a lot of change is going on in the Croker household, and I know a lot of change is coming up for all of us this year. With all of that, I just want to say how excited I am that we've got this new year ahead of us. We have a new group of advisees. Can't wait to meet you, but also for you all to get to know each other and to be able to support each other. Um, you are in good hands right now with Mrs. Knutson, who is there to be in my stead just for this first week, just for this first day. And I'm sorry to miss convocation, but I will be there next week. I do want to say that this is a great opportunity to have some resilience and think about how we're going to approach this new year. It's definitely different than anything we've experienced before. Um, I want to say, I want to share a motto, I think, for the year. And maybe we could all come up with a motto that will help us get through the hopefully wonderful things that are coming ahead, but also maybe some of the trying things too as we launch into hybrid learning, probably some distance learning, possibly, hopefully, back in full form come spring. Who knows what's going to happen? But I think the motto of my year is going to be March. And I say that for a couple of reasons. One, I am thinking about the civil rights icon, John Lewis, who we just lost, who made such a difference in terms of his own work toward civil rights, toward voting rights, toward bringing all people to the voting booth and how important that is. I'm thinking about how it is important to kind of march onward with whatever our goals are, despite some of the obstacles that may be ahead. I'm thinking about March as in the month. I'm thinking that that was when COVID really hit us as a school when we decided to go remote last spring, and how we all geared up and met that with a great deal of um, brio and um, a sense of can-do-itness, and that's where we are here. So I'm also excited by the what were formerly known as the Dixie Chicks. They have this great music video called March now, about marching and standing up for what you believe. So lots of iterations of March, but I think March on, March forward, March will be the motto for me for the year. So think about your own March or your own motto and where that might take you. In the meantime, enjoy your time together. Happy New Year of 2020, 2021 at Harpeth Hall. I can't wait to meet you all and be with you and share some really wonderful times with you over the year. Have a great day and be safe. I'll see you soon.